Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to add voice and effects and background music in VN Video Editor. So first of all, you need to open the VN application. And here you have to add any of your videos to the dashboard, right here in the timeline. And after that, you can see here that it's showing up here. The option to add music is here. So from here, you can add the music that we call background music or the voice. You can do that from here. You can add it by clicking on this. And from here, you can add music. From here, you can add effects. And besides that, you can also record your voice here. Or by going to music and clicking here, you'll see the main music and voice options. From here, you can add music favorites or your own music from here. So this was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell icon.